Welcome to another flip video lesson with me, Mr. Volkman. Today's flip video lesson is going over chapters 1.3 through 1.6 in our TCI textbook. And the topic of today's flip video is all about cave art. Yes, you heard me, cave art. Let's begin, shall we? Let's talk about the where and the why of cave art. Now, cave art is usually found in caves. Makes sense, right? It's cave art. Where else would it be? Now, it's usually found though deep in caves where you kind of have to go in and traverse through caves a little distance before you see them. At least the cave art that's been found in the world. There's a very famous piece or pieces of cave art in France we will learn about later in this chapter. The next question that archaeologists try to figure out is, why is there cave art? Well, as I talked about in the 1.2 flip video, archaeologists and other various social scientists that study the past didn't live during the past, so we can only make educated guesses as to why cave art was created. One educated guess is that it was used to record events. Think of it like past or early day Twitter or Facebook. But on walls? Well, at least if there's no Wi-Fi, it's always there. We're going to talk about some different types of cave art. The first type of cave art that we can see on cave walls is humans in action. Now, interestingly enough, this type of cave art is rarely seen. We don't see a lot of human pictures on cave walls. As you can see, here are some various examples of cave art using the human figure. Now again, we can only make educated guesses as to why people put people on cave walls. It could have been used for rituals or some kind of religious ceremony. It could have been used to, like I said earlier, to record some kind of event. Such as here we see an animal and maybe a dead person. Maybe the animal killed the person during the hunt. It also could have been just used as decoration. I mean, how many of you guys have posters or pictures of people up on your walls? I did. Well, not anymore because, I'm an adult and kind of weird to have a poster of someone else on my wall. The other type of cave art would be animals in action. Now, the interesting thing about this is sometimes we have seen that the creators of this kind of art, wrong one, here we go. The creators of this kind of art have used the various grooves and bumps on the cave wall and incorporated that into their picture. Now, how many of you have ever felt your hand against the side of a rocky surface? It's not smooth, is it? There's bumps and divots. There's one particular piece of cave art where you have a divot right here, like my arm, but they have the animals on top of that. Pretty cool. Now again, we're not 100% certain why animals were painted on walls. It could have been for rituals. It could have been, as some archaeologists think, to capture the magical powers of animals. It could have been used to honor or influence various gods, or it could have just been used for decoration. I mean, I don't know about you, but I have lots of cow paintings on my walls. Not really, but I could. The other type of cave art we'll see are just various shapes or handprints. Now, these type of works of art in caves are more common. Again, the purpose is unknown. Were the handprints used as a signature? That's me. That's my hand right here. Or was it some kind of ritual again? We just don't know. We weren't alive. We can only guess based upon the artifacts that are in the rooms. So I'm going to leave you with one final thought. What do you think? This is your opportunity at some extra credit here, some extra points towards your grade. Write me an email or leave a comment on the post where I have put the link for this flip video. Why do you think some of these pieces of art were created? Was it religious? Was it a ritual? Was it decoration? Was it just to record an event? Or do you have a totally different idea? Leave your thought and a reason behind your thought and you will receive extra credit. And I'm gonna let Mr. Mint do the ending of this video. Mr. Mint, take it away.
Thanks for watching this flip video, boys and girls. And Mr. Volkman will see you in class tomorrow. Now, it's time to make some cave art. I didn't see any M&Ms on that cave art. That's a shame.